Oh yeah. Hey.
Good morning. How's the pretty little thing like you doing today?
I'm good, Dottie.
Good.
Johnny has turned into our backup morning package acceptance person. The UPS guy's been here already today, and Johnny took that package in for us. I don't know what kind of critter is over there in the ferns, but the girls sure do have a lot of good fun with whatever it is. Hi. You're not in trouble. You can chase what's in there if you want. Coffee hasn't quite kicked in as much as I would like for it to have, but it's time for me to leave for the eye doctor. Don's out here. Somebody just delivered another package. Oh, it's the start of our monthly subscribe and save. My goodness. Boxes. There were 2 boxes, huh? All right, I'm out of here. I got to go.
I'm sorry.
Love you.
Yeah, I love you too. Kiss, kiss.
There used to be a ton of safe parking over here, and then Panera Bread built and opened. This is the parking lot with the Taekwondo studio, the old Roses parking lot. Those of you that remember when we were coming up here for Taekwondo are familiar with us coming into this parking lot. New viewers, not so much, because Johnny's been doing Taekwondo from home on Zoom. See where I can find a place to park. All right, climbing on to 78, let's go. And no, Ruby, I'm not headed to the school right now. Sad as that is. I parked on the side where all the employees seem to have parked, best I can do. I'm pretty well centered in my spot. Sometimes that's the best you can do. And there's other spaces over here. I'm counting on other people wanting to park closer. Yay, Ruby's nice and cool. They dilated the left eye, so it's a little bright out here. But everything looked good. My retina's fine. I think I said I had a floater. If I didn't, that's why I came today. And it's sort of time for my annual eye exam. So they took those nice pictures, and he let me see the side-by-side image, and my eye print hasn't changed, and things look good. And he'd like to look again in a month, but not to worry, and try not to rub my eyes so much is probably the best thing that I could do. If I'm having allergy issues, go put some drops in, don't rub. So I'm relieved, and I am headed over to Guardian Angel to meet Michelle. Yes, girl time. There's Michelle. Hello, hello. I'm good. Thanks for meeting me. It just worked out good today. Look at you with your little, fancy shirt on today. Yeah, I'm liking it. I'm liking it.
I love yours.
Thanks. All right, there's a lot of Legos to choose from today. Not a steal, but not bad either. So let me see if there's something in particular I think I need or don't have, like maybe these gray parts or something. All right, I got Johnny this really large wheel contraption. The wheels are worth what they're asking for the whole thing, and then some really nice gray pieces. There's a lot of Technique pieces in there. Right, donations are still Tuesday, Thursday, and I think Saturday and Sunday. It's pretty much what we've been looking at, which is, yeah, we want to see new stuff. How did I walk right past that and not see it? Because I did. Michelle loves her mermaids, so it's a good day. You aren't buying napkins again, are you?
Yep. Look how funny.
They are cute. As tempting as it is, and there's a Klingon and 3 others up here, I'm gonna leave them. Michelle found a Harry Potter. Ariel's room is Harry Potter themed. I keep on thinking that I am going to send cards, and then I never send one. This one says, let the birthday shenanigans begin, and for 50 cents here, you could really get a pretty nice card. Those are Party Light. They are really cool. That's a good deal on those. True friends are hard to find and impossible to forget. Michelle.
Yes, I am. I mean, so are you.
That looks pretty nice. It's a glider. All right, Donnie, I'll leave it here though. I'm gonna get these travel guides. I think Miss Williams at the school can use these Johnny's still hoping to get to Greece for spring break 2021. We'll see. For the lamp on my table. Michelle buys every one of these she sees. The number of new plus-size tops is really incredible. I haven't found anything yet, but I'm impressed with the selection. How's it going, girl? You got a handful of stuff. You can go ahead and set it in the cart. I'm holding the cart for you.
I don't know what that is.
I don't either, but ghost words looks like you. A play production, I think. Ariel might appreciate that since she's been doing plays lately.
I don't know, maybe Ariel will. I don't know.
Don's on his way to get the cart. I told him to come get the ticket. He'll get a senior discount of 10%. He likes that. He was motivated. Look who I found in Guardian Angel. It's half Michelle's, half mine. That's funny. Here, Leslie will take you right over here. Somebody tried to buy it. They came up looking for it, the sticker, and Michelle heard and she told them that I had the sticker. So it's on the book side. It's on over here. Jeff will bring it. You just sign the paper and Jeff will grab it for you. How wonderfully vintage. I only see one chair with that cute little table, but boy is that nice. They have the most awesome furniture here, I swear. That is nice. Really nice. Like, oh wow, nice. Oh, Pulp Fiction and
Disney
Maleficent.
Villain. Yep.
Yeah. Ruby's got a software update ready to download when I get back on the Wi-Fi. Let's see. Yep, 2020.32.3. Till next week. Bye, Michelle. Wow, it's going on 3 o'clock. We spent a good amount of time in there today. Johnny doesn't have Taekwondo tonight, so Ruby and I pulled into the garage, and look who is out here when I come home. So are you happy with it?
Yeah, very much so.
You've wiped it down, I can tell.
Yeah, I took a magic eraser and erased the paint.
Okay.
The white paint that had, you know, obviously it went through a door jam or something more than once and put a lot of white paint on it. So
it looks brand spanking new. You did a great job cleaning it.
All the shelves are, you know, they're not bent or anything like that. There's a small dent or something, but there's not, you know, the seams are all still intact. So.
Well, you know, the nice thing about buying used, besides we save money, it was a good price. It's more sturdy than we would have got for anywhere near the money.
Oh, yeah.
It's already got a ding.
Oh, yeah.
So if we ding it, we don't have to cry over it. No, it's not like a brand new car. I see you've even got the power cord area straightened out on it and everything.
Yeah, I unwound the cord. It's a 16.3 cord, 16 gauge cord.
So it's not heavy duty.
Well, it's not lightweight.
Right. Well, if it was,
12.
right. I like heavy duty. You know, I'm your overzealous girl.
Yeah. So, and I would say it's probably 20 or 25 feet. It's long.
I explained to Michelle that you plug that in and then you plug things into the. It just has a power strip on board. Is all it really is.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, way cool. And obviously had some sort of thing on top.
Yeah, I think it was I think this is.
It's a media cart at a school or a business or something.
Yeah, I think specifically this one is designed for CRTs. This cart goes back to the CRT days.
Right, that's why it's so substantial.
Well,
the weight and the size of the CRT.
Right. And the CRTs are very heavy in the front. And so
that's why it has the angle.
That's right.
Yeah, it talks about how to make it not tip, I guess, or something.
Right. So if you put a CRT and the screen was up here at the front, you've got that extra to keep it from tipping this way.
Gotcha.
It wouldn't stop the CRT from tipping, but at least the
cart wouldn't tip.
Yeah.
Way cool, and it even has locks on the wheels.
Yep.
I think it has. I'm seeing a brake down there on the wheel
it's
too.
Got one on each
corner, diagonal or something.
Yeah, it's got a total of 2, one here and one on the opposite diagonal.
Yep. Way cool.
They work. I test them. I wiped the grease and everything off. I would say this cart saw very little use, but I would tell you this cart is way 20 years or more old. Yeah, well, when you and I are long gone, this cart could still be in use as long as it's not left out in the rain. It was probably just pushed over the corner and had something on it, and it just sat on it for
a long time.
Yeah.
So with Dawn's senior discount,
Yes.
which was 10%, it was like $86 and change, and
Yeah.
that included the tax.
That's right.
So that was a good guardian angel day for
Yeah.
Dawn.
Yeah. And,
I had a good day too.
Yeah. Anyway, yeah, I'm very happy. It's a a really good height for me.
Yep.
I mean, I don't like to have to bend over.
Yep.
And
It's basically the same height as you made your workbench.
That's
Yep.
right.
Yep.
And so, the only slight hitch in our giddy up is that we really just don't have any place to put it. We'll have to make room somewhere for it.
Right. Well, for right now, it could go behind the closet.
I understand.
So I gave this to Johnny, no strings attached. Those are some bad you-know-what tires. He may power function it up or cannibalize it for parts for something else or, yeah. But those, I mean, the tires were worth what I paid for the whole thing.
And they are suspension.
Wow.
There's a little.
It's a shock absorber. It's like one of those monster truck things.
That I'm thinking that's what it is.
Yep. You going to run?
Yes, I'm going.
We're
to run.
passing in the afternoon. I'm home. Now you're out for your run.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna come home and eat. I'm hungry.
That's
I want to
it.
get my run out
That's
of
a
the way.
hint. That means I'm supposed to look at the clock, know when 45 minutes is, and
Well, I got a couple minor things. So we got the license plate.
we did?
That's right.
Okay.
For Jewel. So I'm gonna put that on when I get back from cooling down.
While you're cooling down, okay.
And there was something else, other minor little project in the garage I was gonna do.
Okay, sounds good. There it is, the
Yeah.
new plate, HJE 7198. Let's just get that over with right now.
Yeah.
Won't be on long though.
Nope.
So, I just don't want to hold on to it. You get it now. I'm just terrible about
He is.
saving stuff for a special occasion. Like every day could be a special occasion.
Right.
So go ahead. Yep.
NASA space.
Well, it's upside down. Let's get it right side up.
It says SpaceX.
Yeah, what's it say? Crew Demo 2.
Aww.
It's the helmet from the Demo 2 mission.
It's pretty cool. I like it.
Yep.
You done good.
Dawn says, be green and celebrate Earth Day, even though Earth Day is in April.
I didn't know it was Earth Day shirt.
It's just a green with a cute frog.
Yeah.
And he's got him
Supper.
some pork and gravy, Boston butt. Johnny doesn't really love barbecue sauce, so everybody in the house loves gravy.